We believe in each other. We've built this team around us, whether that's lab technicians, clinicians, assistants, our front office staff. Everyone here is for you. And we lead the industry not just with our clinical abilities, but with a conversation that pushes the art forward to give you the smile that you deserve.
I have a friend, his mom would go out, they go and drink wine, go out to the restaurants, and he'd see his mom and she'd go, take her teeth out, sip the wine, because there's taste buds on the soft palate. It's the technology of yesteryear. They've been around since the days of George Washington. You put these implants in, you look great, you feel confident, and that goes a long ways.
Sometimes we get asked, why should we choose you? And for us, it all comes down to kind of our values and what we're about. When a patient comes in, I always tell them, we're not gonna play the coulda, shoulda, woulda game. Like, I wish I would have taken better care. I should have stayed away from drugs. If I would have prioritized my health when I was raising my children. There's 100 different ones, but we don't need to focus on that. We want to focus on meeting you where you're at and helping you to get to where you want to be. And that journey looks a little different for every patient.
A big benefit is we have it all right there. By the time you leave, we'll have taken a scan, we'll review it together. I'll sit down with you and show you if you are a candidate to have this procedure done. We'll show you kind of, hey, this is where the implants would go, this is how it works, and we'll know exactly what we can do for you right then and there. Work closely with the lab. Some patients even bring a picture of their younger self where everything was healthy, had a full set of teeth, and we can work with the lab in getting it set, customized, so you're happy with it.
It's so cool when you have, let's say, a grandmother that can finally smile in front of her grandchildren, or a wife that will finally smile in front of her husband, or vice versa. We've even seen cases where these smiles can help someone get a new job. Just going to a job interview or being able to speak without their hands in front of their mouth is life-changing. Every time we're able to give someone a new sense of life and a new type of confidence that they've never had before, it's really moving to myself as well as the rest of the team at Renew. It really motivates us to want to come into work every day, work long hours into the night with our labs to be able to give the patient a smile that they really deserve to improve their life.
When we're talking about smiles, one thing that we see that is just amazing to me is how much a smile can affect someone for good or for bad. You meet a stranger for the first time and you give them a quick smile. It's what we do as humans. When they see missing teeth, sometimes that immediate reaction, even for adults, is one of shock or disgust, and that really can throw you off. And you take that shame and you internalize it, and we see how this leads our patients down a dark path. And when you're in a dark hole, it's very hard to take that first step. So when you come in for a consult, we want to make it easy. We want to make it simple. We want to be transparent on what your options are, transparent on the cost, transparent on the process, to help you know exactly what you're getting and to have the confidence that you need to move forward. We really do love what we do, and we're never going to get tired of it, because every time we change a life and we get that feedback from our patients, for me, that's what recharges me and energizes me. It makes me excited to get out of bed the next morning and go meet the next patient that we're going to go on this journey with, to help them see the change in themselves.